Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're going to act now. Open Settings, scroll to Notes, then Passwords. Make sure iOS is current and that you know your device passcode because Face ID or Touch ID use it behind the scenes. Once in Passwords, you can reset the Notes password for future locks. This does not decrypt old notes. Do this to regain control and enable biometric unlocking going forward. Take a moment to set a memorable new password and enable Face ID or Touch ID if you want faster access. Now check your locked notes. Open Notes and try biometric unlocks first because they rely on the original password stored on device. If biometrics fail, you must enter the original Notes password to decrypt those notes. Resetting the password in settings will not decrypt them. If you have another signed-in device where notes were already unlocked, open that device and export or copy content. Make sure to note that iCloud and web access won't reveal locked content without the original password or an unlocked. Finish by creating a strong new Notes password and enabling Face ID or Touch ID so future locks are easier. Once done, test locking and unlocking a fresh note to confirm the new password works. If existing locked notes remain inaccessible, inspect other devices signed into the same Apple ID or restore a backup that was made while notes were unlocked. Sometimes that surfaces copies. If you still can't access important content, contact Apple support for guidance. Note they cannot decrypt notes without the original password.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.